Hi, I'm Mike Kelsey. I couldn't wait to get these new teeth. I'm a truck driver for a living, and because of what I do, I can't have narcotics during a medical procedure. I was really worried about the pain, but after talking to the staff here, they assured me that I would be okay, and I was. So if you're really worried about this procedure being painful, I just wanted you to hear my story. When I was younger, my teeth were always bad. It's always in a dentist chair. They would break every time I turned around. When I was about 30 years old, I moved to Kentucky, and the dentist down here told me that the dentist up north should have referred me to having my teeth pulled. My mouth was so bad that he pulled out all the remaining teeth. For about 30 years, I lived with dentures, top and bottom. Dentures never fit right. I don't care who you go to. I've been to 4 different dentists, 4 different plates. They never fit right, always using glue. With my dentures, I wasn't able to eat candies, steaks. If I did eat something like ribs and I hit a bone, the dentures would break, and then I'd have to get them repaired. My dentures got to the point where they break so much that I would just fix them myself. I was going to the garage myself, using a dremel tool and a kit that I got online. It was getting to a point where it was too much on me, and I didn't want to do it anymore. I didn't need to have the implants, but I chose to have the implants. I just got to a point where I just wanted the change. I wanted something that was going to work, and this was the way out. This was going to work.
Hey, Michael, how are you? Hey, great to see you. Good. How's everything feel? Feels great.
The team here has always been top notch. Even when I come back for my cleanings and stuff, they're always ready to go. The implants have changed my life. Now that I have my new permanent teeth, I definitely feel more healthy. I'm 62 years old. Everybody tells me I look much younger, and it's because of these teeth. I can talk, I can sing, I can just have fun. I feel like a whole new person. I love my teeth. I have a whole lot of gratitude for Dr. Harmon and his staff.